Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm out in the garage again. I got one more item I want to show you from Five Below that I got today. This one I went to a different Five Below than I did my other item I showed. This one I got at another Five Below, like I said, and I was looking for a armrest. I mean, yeah. So, like when you're, like you're typing, you're sitting there and you want your arms, your palms, to sit on something when you're doing it. Well, I found this at Five Below. It's a ergonomic keyboard wrist rest, a 15-inch. I found this at Five Below. It says ergonomic and anti-slip design. Compatible with full-size keyboards, 15-inch. So, yeah, I had called Five Below one time to see if they had, something to put your hands on, when you're at the keyboard and stuff. And they said they had this, and I finally found one at another Five Below. Couldn't find one at the first one I went to. So I called another one, and it took forever to locate this at their store. It's like the Five Below I found this one at. I tell you, they had some bad customer service. I finally found somebody that showed me where this might be, and it was hid somewhere with this other stuff. But anyway, I'm glad I found this because I'm going to try this out because I've been wanting something to have my, palms and stuff on, when you're typing. So I'm going to see how good this does. But, yeah, so like I said, it says compatible with full-size keyboards, 15-inch. And this was $5 at Five Below. So if you're wanting something like this, might want to check out Five Below. And hopefully you can find this. So here's the picture on the back. See how you're sitting there. So you're at your table and you have put your arm, your palm, your arm, whatever, on that while you're typing like this. That's why I was wanting one of these, because for this reason right here, because I didn't have anything. So yeah, it says features portable and universal design, anti-slip design, compatible with full-size keyboards. So if you're interested in something like this, I suggest to go to Five Below. Hopefully you can find this at your local Five Below, like I did. But like I said, I had to go to a different Five Below to find this. But anyways, if you come across one of these and you buy it and you use it, comment on this video and let me know if it worked out for you and what you think of it. I'm hoping this works out for me because this is what I needed. But anyways, hope you like this video. Please give a like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, bye. Bye.